Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete Google Chat messages from both sides. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open the Google Chats application on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent conversations will be displayed. Now you just need to access the target chat and all of your messages will appear. Simply tap on the title bar at the top of your screen and the chat settings page will open up. Here, you just need to disable the history feature and all of the conversation history between you and the target person will be deleted within 24 hours. So that's basically how you can delete Google Chat messages from both sides. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.